Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set up name recognition on iPhone iOS 26. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. So go ahead and click on accessibility, scroll down accessibility until you get to hearing, and then click on sound and name recognition. Then click on name recognition. Then click on setup name recognition. Then it should say teach iPhone to recognize your name. Type the name that you want iPhone to recognize. You can also recognize how you or someone else says it. When you are done, iPhone will notify you when someone says your name. Now go ahead and click on next. Then here, go ahead and type in your name. Type your name as you might write it at a restaurant for someone to call. If you have multiple ways of writing your name, do them separately. So let me just say, this is my name. Then click on next. Then here, it should say iPhone will now recognize your name as this. You can record your pronunciation or continue. So let me record my pronunciation. Adesomi Adedotun. Adesomi Adedotun. And then once you are done, go ahead and click on done. Then you spot that says name recognition would like to send the notifications. You may allow this and then disallow. You can also add another name. So let me just add another name. Then go ahead and type my first name. Then next again. Next, you need to record your pronunciation. Click on record your pronunciation. Adedotun. 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 Then click on done. Now you are good. When anyone calls your name Adedotun, your iPhone is going to recognize it, or your other names here, and that's it. So if you want to delete any of these names, just go ahead and click on edit at the top right, then click on the red button, then click on the trash icon to delete, and once you are done, click on check mark at top right, and that's it. So with this, your iPhone will be able to recognize your name whenever anyone calls it, and then you are good. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.